Hello, I welcome you once again to the third part of my Revit basic tutorial. If you are watching this, I hope you have watched the first two parts, because this part is going to be a follow-up to the previous videos, and this was where we stopped last. So now, from here, we are going to run this part also for 30 minutes. First thing we are going to do here is I'm going to import some furniture into this scene. Okay. First, let me import this bed. You can just drag and drop into this. I've loaded it before, that's why it's bringing this. Normally it's supposed to just load it, so just overwrite this. So I'll put this here, and I'll find something else to put there. But I've imported an object here. So what I'm going to show you here is the editing family. If I show you this in 3D, you can see the bed there. Okay, let me bring it outside. Okay, there's the bed now. So I did the family. Editing family means you can adjust everything you see here. For example, copying this to this side and to this side and this side. I've edited something, then you can load into project and make sure you are loading into the project you are working on. Then okay, then overwrite the existing version and its parameter values. That's what you take. So you wait while it loads and you get what you edit. So I'll drag this back into this. That's for that. Next thing I'll be showing you is the dimension. Click the dimension, you see this aligned. Once you click on align, depends on what you want to dimension, but make sure it's on wall faces, or the one I'll show you now. If it's on wall faces, you can dimension by face, by the face of the wall, like this. At the same time, you could use linear, but it's best to just use by faces, so you don't have to stress yourself much. So using by face. So if you are going to dimension multiple faces together, simply do it this way. Click this and you click this, drag it up. So if you want to continue, come back to that same dimension and you click it. So once you click it, you see this edit witness line. Click that edit witness line. Then it will allow you to be able to continue your dimension. Continue this way, this way, this way, this way. Then once you are done, just click on an empty space here. We get that. Let's try that again. Do this and do this, bring it out. Then just press escape. Then click on that dimension, the witness line, and you can continue. Continue. Then when you are done, you just click on an empty space. It's as simple as that. The next thing I'm going to show you is room tag. So if I click on room and I have the space here, just click on the space, click on the space, and you click in the space, click here, click here. So you can also edit a room tag by just clicking on it, then edit type. Then you check anything you need there. The only thing I check there is the show area, and that's why it's showing me the area of the room. So if you are going to edit the text style or the size, you edit family, click on one of the text, then you edit. Can choose anything you want to change here. So once you're done, you click OK, then you load into project. Make sure it's on the project you're working on. Then click OK. So you can just double click on the name of each one and rename them to whatever you want. Same as this this and this. So we have tagged all our rooms now. So next thing I'm going to show you now is to cut the section line to your drawing. So this is the section button. When you click on it, just click and drag the position you want. So if you notice, it's facing towards this side. But first thing you do, just uncheck this, click apply. Then just simply go to this and you click. I have the section line there now. The reason why these rooms are showing color is that there was a room tag here before probably removed. You go to analyze, then you see this color fill element. You put it there. So if you put it there, you are able to edit the colors of the room. When you edit them, just make sure this is on name and this is on rooms. So you can edit the colors from here. So that's done. Then back to the section. If you want to go straight to the section view of this section line, double click this. It's right here, but if you are going to go straight, just double click this. Takes you directly to that place. So, but before then, I'm going to show you how to put the grid lines. So you come to structure, then you go to grid. So once you're on grid, pick position you want. Okay. So here's how you use the grid lines. Make sure they align. Make sure they align. Then last one here. Automatically to arrange the cell into 1, 2, 3, 4 ABC. So I'm going to make another one here, and I use A. Okay, drag it down, then input another one, and I input B. It's going to automatically become B. So you don't need to start changing it. Everything is already easier. So next thing here, then drag it down. So that's how we put a good line into that. So you can make this field by just clicking on it. Then you right click, click override graphics and by category. So you can just select after. So it becomes faint. So you don't need your furniture to just like the same color with every other thing. So you can do that to that. So what I'm going to do next is before working on my section, I'm going to show you how to put with cap on your roof. So what we do now is click on this roof. And you copy it above. When you copy it above, simply go to the top. Then you find where you see your vertical. That's vertical opening. Then you click on the roof. So once you click on the roof, just pick lines and pick all edges here. all the edges of the roof. So once you pick that, go to offset. Yeah, offset by 150. And offset all the edges right there. So once you've done that, you delete all the center lines. So once you delete center line, trim these ones together. Trim this. Okay. I'm supposed to get okay. Line is too short. So we just trim this together. And this is done. Same thing we'll do for here. Delete it. And trim this too. So the next thing we do is we trim this and we trim this. Trim this and we trim this. This and this and this and this. What we did here is that we just make sure that the parts that are open are actually going to be the parts left when we cut finish. So I have a tutorial I made on this alone, so you can check my other videos, you see that there. So if we finish this now, I will simply check it. You can see what we have. So this can edit type and duplicate it and simply increase down the thickness. Let's say 75. Okay. Then you drag it down. Sorry. Move it down. And yeah, make it fit like this. So once you've done that, then you can click this and click this. Okay. I'm supposed to do. Let me show you how to do yeah, I'm going to show you how to put a touch in this. So what we do is I'll copy this to this area. Yeah, I'll delete the width for this and do this way. Go to site, you edit, so you pick a line, click here and make sure it's on 45 degrees. Then you can just flip this, then trim this together, delete this, you don't need it again, then remove the slopes for this. So to finish that, you have something like this, but you know we are getting there. You click line and you just draw a line like this, remove the slope and trim, then you finish. So now you have this, and we're not done. You can, instead of creating a new roof, just copy again, then you edit and delete all these, then you draw another roof to this. So you remove all these, you don't need them again, you only need this loop. Then you finish that, and what you have there, we have this, and as easy as that. So what we do now is I'm going to okay, I think this is still useful. Instead of deleting them, let me do it this way. Okay, I'm supposed to delete that move by the left, but I'll just place it on each other and see what I can get. Okay, with that. Yeah, that's done. Then for this, edit, and edit this to this. I'm simply going to edit that to the way that roof is. So I can edit the ridge cap to the cut. If you are going to click the cut, just click it by the side instead of clicking the roof. Click the cut, then you edit sketch. So now just pick this, then offset, and trim this to this and this to this. Then you pick another line here. I think this should just come out a bit. Then you okay, then this should trim to this, and cut this, then trim this way, and don't forget delete the center line. So finish this now. Should be having this. Voila, gotten that. That's easy as that. So to cover this, we just use an extrusion to do this. So I'm using an extrusion. Set a plane, pick a plane. I'm going to pick my plane from here. So pick that from here. I pick this. Yeah, then offset, let's say 300. Offset. It does depend on the design of your touch. You got this. Then you break this line. Then clean. You just have to know what you are doing. The more you practice, the more you get it. Then I'll put it by, let's say 50, and make sure it's on white, because I love white. Then finish this and make sure you uncheck this. So by the time you are checking it, okay, I can see with two sections. I'll move this in. When I check it now, I'm having this. So instead of finishing that, I could just create another extrusion and set the plane, pick a plane, then pick this as the plane. So I can now draw it through my section that I have this. So I can do this to be like 900 for now. You want to check this. So don't check it at the front. We're having this here. This. Okay. So I can now copy that. Yeah. Okay. So to copy it easily, do like this, this. So it won't take time. Copy this. Okay, then anyone that is not needed, we just simply delete that. This is not needed. This is not needed. So adjust this. Adjust this. Okay, all set. So if I finish that and I come to section and just move them back a bit, so check that, and I'm having what I requested for. Alright, are you feeling me? So the next thing we do now is click this roof I hold control down, click this and click this. So I'm going to click this and click on slow glazing. So once you click on slow glazing, it will turn to a glass like look. What I'll do is I'll edit type, then pay attention to this please. Click on this, put it on glaze, join condition, put it on grid 1 continuous, then grid 1, put it on fixed distance, then input 300, then grid 1 mullions, put it on the smallest rectangle 30 mm, then OK. And wait, yep, we have now our roofing sheet this way. Click on this, the edit type, change the material for this. We are going to use the roofing. Okay. We are going to change the glass. Come to families because we use them a curtain wall. Come to curtain panel, system panel, then glazed. Change that glass to the same roofing we are using here. Then simply click OK. And voila, we have beautiful roof now. So this one still needs to be moved up. Okay. So it's also looking beautiful now. So we have that. So next thing I'm going to show you now is creating a stair. I'm going to go on ground floor and go to architecture, then go to stair. So click on run. You know what run is used for. So landing now, I'm going to show you what both of the three of them are for. So if I'm going to go a run, if you check this, you should see 5 risers created 12 remaining. It's counting it for you. So over here, I prepare my desired number of risers to be on 22 because of my headroom. So if I do this now, I have 19 plus 3, that's 22. So if you move here, it's going to be changing. So once I get to like the center, and click there, then you just move your mouse down away from that first one, then click to continue. So it's the same way you do for every step you are doing. So you practice on your stairs more. So before you know it, you become a pro. So you can just move this with your arrow keys, depending on the space provided for the stairs. So if you are going to edit the width, click on it, then you can change the let's edit the type of the finish it. Let me finish it. Finish it and check the stairs. We're having this. You can change the handrail of the stairs to the same one we have here by just clicking it and selecting this one here. So you have that. At the same time, you can change your stairs to edit type. I'm going to show you how to design this test of your stairs. So write support stringer. If you are looking for your stringer, this is your stringer. These are your stringers. This one by the side, this one by the side. So if you edit type, right support stringer, none, left support stringer, none, middle support. Yeah, I need that. Then I'll edit the middle support. Total depth 400, that's too much. Then width 50, maybe 100. You can pick material for that. I don't really need it now. Okay, so let me finish that and check. Okay, so that's my stringer by the center. Next thing I'm going to do now is I don't need the riser again. You know, these are riser. So the edit type Where is that riser settings? Okay, we're going to find the riser. Okay, don't need that. I don't need the riser. Aha! So imagine this was a wooden material. Now how beautiful the stairs look like. Okay, that's for stairs. So that's how we design. I could just move this or anywhere I like because I don't really need it. I didn't incorporate it to my design. The next thing you do now is go to section. So once we're on section, you can let me turn this on. This is a wall. And right click, override graphics in view by category. Then open this. Scroll down to where we have wall. And remember these are our settings. Color. Then okay. These two can be on this. Then pattern. Brickwork. Then okay. Then for floors, then open the visibility. Okay, I think just right. Then lines, return 6 colors and black. And okay. Then this can be left on that and concrete. Okay. So we are having something like this. Put this on fine. Alright. Then if you want your room tag to show, simply come to annotate, then click on tag by tag all, then make sure room tag is there, then click OK. So you should have your rooms showing already. You understand? So you are having it should be on rooms and it should be on name. You know what I mean now? So you can design your section to your taste. Yeah, oops, sorry. Then forget you can also input your dimensions here. You can also input your dimension. You can edit your dimension and remove the white background and all that. That should be transparent. Okay. Then if you are going to draw anything else like the detailings and co, you can use I'm going to detail line. So you can simply draw anything you want, any other thing you need to do. Just depend on how you want it, offset it, do anything you want with it. So you are going to use that annotate to draw whatever you want to detail. Same as region. Now use region for filled parts. You want to fill a space. See. So just depends. You have to practice more on this because you really need to know the basics of each of them so you can know how you are going to work on it more by yourself. So the next thing we'll do now is I'm going to show you how to put it in a sheet. When you want to put your drawing in a sheet, go to sheet, then right click and click new sheet. Then just make sure you have a sheet in your component that you can load. So I have my sheet here. Let's use I'm using this. Then you open. Once it's loaded, you can click OK. So this is the sheet. If you want to edit the text in the sheet, you can click it and edit the family to edit all the text in it. And you are going to place a view in your sheet. You go to view and simply look for place view. When you click on place view, you scroll to the sheet you want to insert. For instance, let me input section and add view to sheet. You can input that into here. You have that. So same thing if you go to ground floor. You are going to input your floor plan into your sheet and maybe it's bigger or very small. You simply adjust the scale from here so that it can be scaled properly into your sheet. So hello, the last thing I'm going to show you now is how to import AutoCAD file into Revit. So what you do is you go to insert, then you click on import card. So when you click on import card, to require you to select the file. So what you do first is you open the file on AutoCAD, you highlight it and click on W, then enter. So it's going to ask you where you want to export it to. It's already on desktop, so you click OK. So you go back to Revit and click the import card, scroll down to what you just exported, then click this manual center and click on open. It should load into your project. You wait while it loads. So here we have it. So you can just click on it anywhere. So once you are gotten the file, you can just simply do your words on it. So that part is very easy. So that's how you get to do that. So with what we have gotten here now, and with this our view, I'm going to show you how to just make it presentable. Click on this, then come to shadows, check this, then click on this and extend it. You zoom, you put this to 10 and put this on Guardians, then click OK. You have this. So that's all about this for now. So you can just use this to get whatever you want. So I'm going to end this now.